Hello. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to send IXT from our LBank account to a Metamask account. So if you want to send either IXT or Matic, whatever it is, from our or any other crypto, whatever it is you want to send from your LBank account to a Metamask account, it could be your Metamask account or it could be someone else's. It's the same procedures. This is how you do it. I'm gonna show you guys. So let's get started. First of all, you're gonna need your LBank account, right? Have it logged in, ready, prepared. And then what you're gonna do is that you're going to have your the address of whatever MetaMask account it is that you want to send it to. So whatever MetaMask account you want to send it to, whatever MetaMask wallet, you're gonna have that the address of that MetaMask wallet account. So you have to have that. Once you have that, we're good to go. So you can either have it ready, you know, somewhere safe, or you can like if it's your own MetaMask wallet, you can just click on this icon. And let me just unlock it. Hold on, let me just do it again. So let's say if it's your own MetaMask wallet where you want to send it to, you can just copy your MetaMask wallet by going to your MetaMask wallet and then copying it like that. But in this tutorial, I am not going to send it to my MetaMask wallet. I am going to send it to someone else. So I'm just gonna lock this MetaMask wallet because like I always like to lock when I'm not using it. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna send it to someone else's MetaMask account, right? So for my LBank account, I'm gonna send it to their MetaMask wallet. So let's get started. So first of all, once you're logged into your LBank, right, and you have that MetaMask wallet address, whatever MetaMask wallet you want to send it to, once you have that, we're good to go. So let's go to wallet, right? Go to wallet. Let's go to spot. Spot. So this wallet, when you go to wallet and spot, this is where you see all of your assets that you have. So I'm just gonna let this load quickly because it's a bit long. So now you guys can see we have our assets that we have here. We have our Bitcoin, we have our IXT. So let's go to XT and let's go to withdraw, right? So I look at XT and then I click on withdraw, right? I click on withdraw. So when I went to spot, I saw IXT right there, and then I click on withdraw. So over here we have 26 IXT available, right? And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go here in external wallet address, right? Because we wanna send it. Yeah, we're gonna send it to a MetaMask wallet. We're not gonna talk about internal wallet. We're not gonna talk about internal address withdrawal. We're gonna focus on external address withdrawal. So you're gonna go here. Okay, just make sure you go here, don't go here. Go here, and then select the correct token or crypto that you wanna send. So IXT, we have IXT, good. Good. And now we need to paste the withdrawal address here, and then make sure that you select the right network, Matic, and then the withdrawal amount, and then the fee is 1 IXT, right? So just fill those in, and then click on withdrawal confirm. So I'm just gonna go and get my get the MetaMask wallet address of the person where I want to send it to. So hold on. So I finally have it, right? So I just copied it from Messenger. So I went to the Messenger, and then my friend sent me the their MetaMask wallet address. So I'm gonna send it to them in this address. And then now I'm gonna enter the amount I wanna send. So I wanna send them 7. I wanna send them 6, right? So I want them to receive 6 IXT, but there's a fee of 1 IXT, so I have to put 7 here. So withdrawal amount, I put 7, but they're actually gonna receive 6 because of the fee. You're gonna deduct 1 IXT for the fee. And I'm gonna click on withdrawal confirmed. Click on withdrawal confirmed. And then over here, you can just see the information of this withdrawal, transfer method, external transfer, transfer amount, 7XT, withdrawal address, I'm gonna send it here, and then I don't put a note, and then the fee, 1XT. So confirm, transfer to, and now they're gonna send me a verification in my email. So I'm just gonna check my email of which I use in my LBank, and now I'm gonna also have a Google Authenticator, so I'm gonna check both of them. So I'm just gonna click on send, and I'm gonna check on my email, and I'm gonna put on my Google Authentication, my code for my Google Authenticator, and I'm gonna confirm it. Okay? So guys, I just entered the verifications that I needed, and then it took me here to this page, right? And I'm gonna confirm it, right? Confirm. So loading. Now, see over there, since before we had 26, right? But then since we took out 7 to transfer, now we only have 19 because it deducted. So now over here in the orders, it says that we have 7 IXT in order, meaning that 7 IXT, it's either like we're sending it to some other, to someone else, or it's either that we have them traded. But anyways, it deducted here. So now we only have 19 IXT available, and 7 is being sent. Total amount, we have 26, but we only have 19 available, and 7 is being sent to the MetaMask wallet address which we sent it to. So over here, you guys, if you scroll down, right, scroll down, you can see this over here, and over here you can just see the if you click on this one, this is just the records of all of the withdrawals that you've made. It says the time, the pair, the network, the amount, the status, and then the details, and then the action. So if you guys can look here, I have a bunch of records, and over here, this is the one that I've just made recently. The 7 IXT that we've just made, we just transferred recently to the MetaMask account. This is this one. So it shows here the amount, and then status is pending. So pending, it means it's still delivering. It hasn't arrived yet. Once it's completed, it should say withdrawal completed, and then over here in the action, it says revoke, but we're not gonna click on that because revoke means that you're gonna cancel your order. And I don't wanna cancel my order, I wanna send 7 XT, but they're only gonna receive 6 because of the fee. And they're gonna send it to this withdrawal address. So yeah. So once it's done, it should say withdrawal completed, and if the person checks their MetaMask wallet, the 7 XT should arrive in their wallet. I mean 6, because of the fee. It should arrive in their wallet once it's completed. So as you guys can see over here, it says withdrawal details, right? So once it's completed, you can actually see the transaction. So if you click on, like for example, this one, they're all completed, right? So if you check on this one, so if you click on this one over here, for example, it's completed, right? This is the address and this is the hash. So this is like kind of like the receipt and like the proof that it's like done. So if you click on this, right, it's gonna show you the details of the transaction. So over here, it said that I transferred it to this to this address, and then Oh no, sorry. Over here it says that I transferred it from this address to this address. So yeah. So if I go here, I'm just gonna open up my MetaMask again. Hold on. Hold on. Let me just do that again. There we go. So as you guys can see over here, this wallet address matches. No, never mind. Anyways, I send it to this address. Okay, so I send it to this address. So that's how I know. Yeah. So that's how you like check the details of the transaction. So anyways, this is still pending. This is still it's still delivering. So it's not done yet. But once it's done, it should arrive in the wallet. And that is it for this tutorial. That is how you send IXT from LBank to another person's MetaMask wallet. Oh, also, I wanna just point out one more thing. So here in our MetaMask account, right, we have a bunch of different assets. You see, we have Matic, Wrapped Ethereum, IXT, BND, USDC. If you wanna send, you can send any of these crypto. So if you wanna send USDC, if you wanna send USDC to this wallet, or if you wanna send BNB or Wrapped Ethereum to this wallet, you can. But I suggest that you should send Matic first or either IXT first instead. And then what you can do is that you can just swap it to either WheatETH or BNB or USD, whatever it is that you want. Because Matic and IXT has a low fee compared to Wrapped Ethereum, BNB, and USDC. So for Matic and IXT, it only deducts one Matic for Matic. So if you want to send Matic from LBank to a MetaMask account, it only deducts one Matic. But if you want to send IXT from your LBank to a MetaMask account, it also deducts only one IXT. But for Wrapped Ethereum and BNB and USDC, it deducts a lot. So you might just wanna if you wanna like have Wrapped Ethereum or USDC or BNB in this MetaMask wallet, you can just first send Matic first or either IXT first and then just swap it, because it will save you a lot of fee and money. So yeah, and that is how. So for transferring Matic from your LBank to a MetaMask account, it's pretty similar to IXT, right? So over here we learn how to transfer IXT from LBank to MetaMask wallet. When you transfer Matic from LBank to MetaMask, it's pretty much the same procedure, but except you're just gonna select Matic over here. So over here in the search, over here, see IXT, I can just click on it, and then I can actually change it. So if I click on Matic, right? I click on Matic, this one Matic, I can actually send Matic as well. But in this tutorial, we learned how to send IXT. See? You can send Matic as well. And over here, if you look at the see over here, it only deducts one Matic. So, and I've done it before. These are my previous withdrawals from the past. Right now, we don't have any Matic available, so we can't really transfer any. But when you transfer Matic from LBank to a MetaMask account, it's the same thing as IXT. So I just want to show you like USDC. Also, I just want to point out that make sure that you're selecting the right network, right? So make sure that over here, you guys, when before previously we've sent IXT to the MetaMask wallet address, right? And it showed something like this, pretty similar, except it's Matic, not IXT. It says Matic over here, and over here it always says network, right? So we have the withdrawal address, network, withdrawal amount, and then the fee. And over here it says network. So just make sure that you select the right network. Okay, don't overlook the network. Make sure that you select it, because if you send a crypto or a token to the wrong network, your funds are gonna be lost forever, and you're not gonna be able to retrieve it. So how do you know what network to send it to? So for example, over here, click on your MetaMask account, right? And then over here, Matic, right? So over here, let's say you wanna get Matic, so you wanna transfer Matic from an LBank account to this wallet address, let's say, for example. Make sure you have the right network. So over here in this wallet, MetaMask wallet, you can actually see that we're in a Polygon mainnet network. Polygon mainnet network, known also as a Matic network, Polygon Matic. And then over here we have Matic, which is what we want to get from our LBank account. Just make sure you select the right network. So that network over there was Matic. So make sure you select Matic, right? Because also Matic also is available in the Ethereum network. So if you actually switch networks in our MetaMask wallet, so I'm going to switch networks. So Polygon mainnet, switch to Ethereum mainnet. Yeah, okay. We also have Matic over here. There's also Matic in the Ethereum network, which is this one over here, ERC20. That's a Ethereum network, right? So over here, we're in the Ethereum network, which is different from the Polygon network. So I just want to point that out, that make sure that you send it to the right network, okay? So make sure you send it to the right network. So right, we're using Polygon network. So yeah. For IXT, let's go back to IXT. Let's go back to IXT. So I'm gonna let it wait. So for IXT, if you click on the network, it's just Matic. So, and we're on the Matic network. That's what we're using right now. Matic. Yeah. So I just want to point that out, to make sure that you double check the network of the token which you're sending to. So if you look over here, let's go down. Let's check on our status of our withdrawal that we did before. So we withdraw 7 IXT, and now it's completed. Great. So we've successfully transferred 7 IXT to this wallet address, and now if they check on it, they've received it. So great. So that is it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching and listening and always supporting us. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and also like our other videos as well. And if you have any comments, suggestions, or questions, or things you want to learn, just comment it down below so that we can help each other out and we can all learn. Great. That is it for this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.